Milwaukee LED temp light is definitely built with construction in mind. They're much more durable, so when they come back, we're able to prepare them for other jobs, and that's very important. It definitely saves time and money. The multi-volt tap on the Milwaukee LED temp light is very important because every job has its own requirements for temp lighting. Some is 120, some 277. They were very easy to prepare for a job site.
Prevabbing the Milwaukee LED temp lights was a lot faster. I would say about 50% faster. The installation was a lot easier and easier to get into. Everything was really simplified. Put it in there and then one screw closes it. It's all about the simplicity and the efficiency of this light.
I can tell a lot of thought and engineering went into the Milwaukee LED lights. They are easy to install, durable.
Milwaukee Radius temp light, it outputs a lot of light. It's an LED light, it's a cool white light, and it's durable, made of high impact plastic.
The Milwaukee LEDs are made of very durable material. There isn't any glass exposed like the metal highlights.
Milwaukee Radius temp lights are easier to install because they have built-in hanging mechanism. They're light, they're cool to the touch, and easy to wire.
I think they are designed very well for any construction job I've been on throughout my career.
We know we get quality when we have Milwaukee tools. You know that it's going to stand up to what it takes in construction. We can send them out with a lot more confidence that we're not going to have any callbacks or fixes. When we're not constantly having to go out and fix temp lighting, we're allowed to use our manpower to get the job built.